What kind of device can I use to check my baby's heartbeat at home?
Hello, expectant parents. In this video, we're going to explore a topic that has been on many of your minds lately. How can you monitor your baby's heartbeat right at home? This is not just a fascinating experience, but it can also offer peace of mind between prenatal appointments. So, let's delve into the world of at-home fetal monitoring.
What devices can be used?
When it comes to listening to your baby's heartbeat at home, there are a couple of devices that can be used. The most common ones are 1. Doppler fetal monitor. These devices are handheld ultrasound devices that are used to hear the baby's heartbeat. They work by bouncing sound waves off the baby and translating the returning echoes into sound. They can detect a baby's heartbeat at around 8 to 12 weeks of pregnancy. 2. Fetal stethoscope. Also known as a Pinard horn, this instrument is placed against the mother's abdomen to listen to the baby's heartbeat. This device is typically used after the 20th week of pregnancy. Remember, these devices can be wonderful for bonding with your unborn baby, but they are not meant to replace regular prenatal care or medical advice.
How do I use these devices?
Now that we've identified the devices, let's discuss how to use them. Using a Doppler fetal monitor. Apply an ultrasound gel to the end of the Doppler and then place it on your lower abdomen. Move it around slowly until you detect the heartbeat. This may take time and patience, as the baby's position can affect the device's ability to pick up the heartbeat. Using a fetal stethoscope. Press the wide end of the stethoscope against your belly and place your ear to the other end. Again, this may require patience, as it can be harder to locate the heartbeat with a stethoscope, especially earlier in pregnancy.
What are the considerations?
While these devices can bring a lot of joy and reassurance, it's important to remember a few things. These devices should not be used for diagnostic purposes. If you're having trouble finding the heartbeat, it doesn't necessarily mean there's a problem. The baby could simply be in a position that makes the heartbeat hard to detect. Overuse of Doppler fetal monitors should be avoided. Although the risk is low, there's a theoretical concern that prolonged or frequent exposure could lead to harm. Limit use to brief, infrequent sessions. Lastly, always consult your healthcare provider if you have any concerns about your baby's heartbeat or health. So, there you have it, an overview of how you can listen to your baby's heartbeat from the comfort of your own home. Whether it's with a Doppler fetal monitor or a fetal stethoscope, these moments can be truly special. Remember, though, that these devices are no substitute for the advice and care of healthcare professionals. Enjoy your pregnancy journey, and we hope this video has been helpful.